Oil prices have slipped below $100 a barrel in the past couple of days. Weighing on crude price is the US Energy Information Administration's weekly inventory report, which suggested an unexpected increase in US crude oil stocks and drop in gasoline demand despite ongoing summer driving season in the US. While global central banks, especially the US Federal Reserve, has hiked rates to tame inflation and kill demand, OPEC Plus has decided to raise its oil output goal by 1 lakh barrels per day starting September. The increase is equivalent to 0.1% of global demand. It follows weeks of speculation that Biden's trip to the Middle East and Washington's clearance of missile defense system sales to Riyadh and the United Arab Emirates will bring more oil to the whole market. Notably, the increase of 1 lakh BPD will be one of the smallest since OPEC quotas were introduced in 1982. Ravindra Rao of Kotak Securities, for instance, expects prices to slip further in the immediate short term. Crude has hit fresh lows, which indicates weaker sentiment. However, supply concerns may keep a floor to price close to $90 per BBL level. Brent prices have been volatile thus far in 2022 as the oil market reacted to the geopolitical developments amid recession fears. Paul Hicken of S&P Global Commodity Insights expects the Brent oil to climb and remain in a range of $100 to $120 a barrel in the medium term.
The OPEC Plus agreement provides a symbolic nod to the US, but at the same time acknowledges the tight fundamentals that are occurring in the oil market still. OPEC Plus spare capacity is at historic lows of not much more than 1 million barrels a day, mostly in the hands of Saudi Arabia and the UAE. And you still have a situation where there are key risks for OPEC Plus. There's a demand side situation which is already shown signs of weakening, given the fears around recession in the US and Europe. China demand remains weak, and at the same time, on the supply side, Russian supply remains relatively strong and hasn't come off in the same way, and that's a potential risk going forward, as is US hurricane season in September. So as a result, OPEC Plus wants to keep a little bit of the powder dry for those risks, and as a result, the oil market is probably going to stay in the $100 barrel plus region for some time.
On Friday, all eyes will be on the outcome of the Reserve Bank of India's meeting on interest rates. Analysts expect the Indian Central Bank to hike repo rate between 35 to 50 basis points. That apart, stock-specific action will continue amid the ongoing results season.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
तुम इतना डर गए?
अब क्या किया?
शेयर्स में ट्रेडिंग।
तुम्हें 5 पैसा नहीं पता?
ओए, अब तो सबको पता है। 5 पैसा पर मिलते हैं रिसर्च टूल्स, पोर्टफोलियो एनालिटिक्स और इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडियाज भी। डाउनलोड 5 पैसा नाउ।
अब तो सबको पता है investing made easy and rewarding with 5 paisa. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.